Ever head out for a Grab ride, craving some delicious Grab food, only to realize your GrabPay balance is drier than yesterday's bread? Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, fellow Grab enthusiasts. Today's video tackles a question that plagues even the most seasoned Grab users: what's the minimum top-up amount for GrabPay? You might be surprised to know the answer depends on how you're topping up. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of GrabPay top-ups. Banking on GrabPay, the minimum thresholds. Our first stop is the classic method, topping up via your linked bank account. Here, the minimum top-up amount can vary depending on your location. Singapore: if you're a grabber in the Lion City, you're in luck. The minimum top-up via bank account is a friendly SGD1. That means even a quick top-up for your morning coffee is a breeze. Malaysia: now, for our Malaysian friends, things get a bit different. Grab implemented a minimum top-up of RM50 for online banking, FPX, transactions in September 2020. This might be a bit of a bummer for smaller top-ups, but hey, it could be a good excuse to treat yourself to a bigger Grab food order. Beyond banks, alternative top-up options. But wait, there's more. GrabPay offers various top-up methods beyond bank accounts. Here's a quick rundown. Convenience stores: feeling old school? Head to participating convenience stores like 7-Eleven and top up with cash using their kiosks. Minimum top-up amounts for these can vary by store, so it's best to check beforehand. Sharing with friends: feeling generous? You can actually transfer funds between GrabPay wallets. This peer-to-peer top-up doesn't seem to have a minimum amount, making it handy for splitting bills or getting a quick top-up from a friend. GrabPay partners: keep an eye out for partnerships with specific merchants or platforms. These might offer unique top-up options with their own minimum amounts. Beyond the minimum, processing fees to consider. Alright, so you know the minimums, but there's one more thing to keep in mind: processing fees. While most top-up methods are free, some might have a small charge. For example, in Singapore, topping up with a Visa credit card incurs a $1 processing fee unless you top up at least SGD 400. So, plan your top-ups accordingly to avoid any unwanted fees. Top up like a pro, mastering GrabPay. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you'll never be caught short on GrabPay again. Here are some bonus tips to become a top-up pro. Set up auto top-up. Avoid the scramble altogether by enabling auto top-up. This lets you set a minimum balance and automatically top up when it falls below that threshold. Take advantage of promotions. Keep an eye out for Grab promotions that offer bonuses or discounts on top-ups. Every little bit helps. Plan your top-ups. Think about your Grab usage and top up accordingly. Frequent riders might benefit from larger top-ups with lower fees, while occasional users might prefer smaller, more frequent top-ups. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep grabbing with confidence.